Welcome to the power base, fellow human. We need your help. Lord Dredd and his evil bio-Dredd forces continue to rule the Earth, and we're the only ones who can stop it. You've been chosen to become a member of the Soldiers of the Future, the resistance movement that will one day bring Lord Dredd down. You will be serving as one of our elite battle pilots. But before you begin an actual combat mission, you'll be training for battle. On this monitor, we're running combat training tapes that we use here at the power base to sharpen our battle skills. Fighting against Dredd's machines takes great physical and mental skills, and that's what you'll be working on. Any human can overpower a machine if he has the right equipment, but no machine can ever outthink a human. You'll actually be flying a power jet, but the target you see will be simulations, images of our enemy. Now don't get careless. Lord Dredd and his forces are all too real, as you'll soon see. We'll be ready to start your training in a minute, but first you'll be outfitted in a power suit, the massive energy suits that give us our super strength in battle. Prepare to power on. Power on. I'll be coaching you from my XT-7. Now let's get you to your power jet.
You are now in an actual power jet XT-7. The controls are real, but the targets are created by Mentor, our computer. Ready to go? Hawk, prepare for launch.
Locks are open. Launch tunnel ready.
Prepare for hyperspace.
Clearing rocky rim and approaching Mach 0.6. Smooth sailing.
Prepare for your first mission. The sky mines are really floating gun emplacements. Dredd programs them through the interlock. They're laser-powered and they're unpredictable. Your mission will be to take out as many Dredd sky mines as possible, while you avoid their proton fire.
Bearing north across Sector 6.
Systems check.
Fully operational. Running steady. Reading some turbulence in Sector 5. Storm moving on from the west.
Keep your eyes on the sky mines. We'll maneuver you through. The mines are programmed to go into attack formation. Watch closely. Good work. You've finished your first mission. Check your power points and we'll be ready for the next mission.
This is Hawk. Bank left, then check your map screen. River Canyon. Fire thrusters and take it to Mach 2. And watch the crosswinds.
And the rock formations. You'll be chasing a team of Dredd's Phantom Strikers. Take aim at their afterburners. They're the most vulnerable spots.
Ion blasters full. Lasers sighting on. Power shields up.
The Phantom Striker is Dredd's stealth fighter, Class A1, with a powerful particle beam cannon system. Its wing design allows for high-speed maneuvers and can reach speeds of Mach 19. Don't mess with these guys unless you mean business. Watch the canyon.
Activate vertical boosters.
Good. That's it for your second mission.
Check your power points. Record data levels. Fuel level point 703.
Prepare for simulation 3. Your cockpit view has been altered. What you're seeing is a bird's eye view of a bio-Dredd industrial complex. This is where Lord Dredd builds his empire, in these factories. Bio-Dredd creatures are manufactured here as is ammunition for Dredd's awesome attack machines. Watch for flak.
Something's not right. It can't be. I'm picking up readings.
online now. They're about 100 kilometers off and moving in Mach 0.9.
They got in under the radar. They're too close.
Cut to emergency link-ups, bypass standard systems.
Shields up full. They're at 65 kilometers. There they are.
Check your power points. This is it, the real thing. Your training is over. A whole squadron of Phantom Strikers in Sector 12, and they're heading your way.
XT-7, accelerate to Mach 3. The Strikers are outside the envelope.
Phantom Striker's stealth capability has allowed them to get in under our radar. Watch out, there's one in your slipstream.
Pull up! Pull up! Altitude 83, 82.
You got it, level off. Head for the monuments up ahead.
Good flying. You're doing fine.
Watch your left, you're almost there.
Striker energy readings, 3/8 and dropping fast.
Head for the monuments up ahead. They're gonna give up. Dredd didn't program them for a long-distance run.
Three Strikers destroyed.
Good work. You're getting some pretty authentic pilot training now. Check your power points. We'll be ready to turn it around.
Sauron at 10 o'clock.
There's going to be more than one.
There always is. I'm reading 6. But they're flying between the monuments, hard to lock in. Looks like Sauron and 5 of his minions. Decrease speed to Mach 0.8. You can't maneuver through these monuments any faster.
Sauron is a Biodread warlord. He leads an entire army of Sky Sentry clones.
Watch him at 12 o'clock. Digitizer systems are operational.
It's okay, they can't digitize you inside the jet. Digitizing is when a warlord transforms a human into a computer chip, for storage in Dredd's overmind computer.
Gotta make a move. Dive to 3,000 and fast.
Good. The sentries will never be able to get their bearings. That's it. Dive.
Pull it out.
In an hour, all of these creatures will regenerate and be up after us again. Check your power points.
We're getting a radioactivity reading.
I've also got readings on another striker.
The one we didn't get before.
He's on your back, approaching Mach 2. Got a beat on the radioactivity?
In the tunnel up ahead. Veer off. Stay away from that tunnel. It's a trap.
Too late. Okay, stay with him, but fly in the middle of the tunnel. The sides are emitting high doses of radiation.
We're losing you. Switch to transmission code 3.
This tunnel's out of our charted sectors. We're trying to track
They're moving too fast. Let him get out ahead of you. Watch the walls. The Striker's radiation level is peaking. He's approaching critical mass. We've got to get you out of there. Reverse engines. Coolants are overloaded. Reverse!
We're too far down the tunnel. Got to get through.
Approaching overload.
Kick into overdrive. It's your only hope. You're clear.
Power down to normal. We've got to assess the damage. Radiation levels dropping. Coolant's operative. You're out of danger. You took some damage, though.
Check your power points. You've certainly proven yourself a future force pilot. Let's head for home.
Not so fast, Jonathan. Interlockers on the horizon. Go to Mach 6. Let's blow by these guys.
Watch out!
They're lifting off. Evade. Their laser-guided lock-on systems are fully operational. They're all trained on you.
They may be slow, but their firing range is good.
And their targeting system is amazing.
But why so many? And why here? What are they protecting?
You can't shoot them all down. There are too many. But you're almost clear of their range. Keep moving. You're out of range. Systems evaluation running. Check your power points.
That's it. That's what the interlockers were trying to keep us away from.
Jonathan, fuel is low. The radiation took a heavy toll.
We have to go in, Hawk.
Looks like they just attacked a few minutes ago.
They attack like lightning, but it's not like them to leave survivors.
Dredd was waiting for us. He let them live so we'd be drawn in.
Well, then he got his wish, because we are going in.
Phantom Strikers and Saurons. Attack formation at 12 o'clock. I can't even count them.
Touchdown on the southern perimeter. Looks like 2 survivors.
Watch your view screen. I'll open the hatch by remote program. You'll be able to see when they're on board.
Now when I give the word, get out of there.
Lift propulsion systems, go!
Now,
Systems overloaded!
cut to secondary fuel and move. Drop defense shields and shift power to thrusters. This pilot's earned his wings. Let's bring him home.
Okay, power shifted. Hang on, friend. 3, 2, 1, overdrive! Navigational computer locked on. You're headed for the power base. Check your power points.
Congratulations. You're now a full-fledged member of the Soldiers of the Future. But your training will continue. There will be more missions, and unfortunately more battles against Lord Dredd and his evil Bio-Dredd armies.
Impressive, Captain. Your little cadet there is quite the flyer. I've had my fun today, but next time I won't be so forgiving.